Hello and welcome to my video tutorial. In this web tutorial I will be networking with Windows 7 and Windows XP. I'll be working with a wireless laptop running Windows 7 and a wired desktop running Windows XP. Both computers are connected to the same network. I'm assuming that my audience has a basic understanding of computers. In this tutorial we will create a work group and then we will set the settings to allow for sharing. First we're going to work with the Windows 7 machine. I'm going to click Start, right click on Computer, and select Properties. In this window here, under Computer Name, Domain, and Workgroup Settings, you'll see the computer name and you'll see the workgroup name. Workgroup name is by default set to workgroup. You're going to want to change this name to something more obscure, such as Home Network 667, which makes it harder to guess. Select Change Settings to the right, and here, where it says to rename this computer, click Change, select Change. Now down here you have the option to change the workgroup name. And click inside this box, and we're going to change this name to something you've chosen, such as Home Network, and add a number to it. Select OK, and it will take a minute to process. You're going to get a confirmation dialog. You're going to click OK. Now it's going to let you know that you're going to have to restart your computer in order for these changes to take effect. Go ahead and select OK, and you can go ahead and close it out. You can either restart your computer now or you can restart it later. I recommend restarting now. Alright, I've restarted my computer and my workgroup name is set. We're now going to adjust our settings to allow sharing between the two computers. We're going to go to Start, select Control Panel, then we're going to select Network and Internet. We're going to select Network and Sharing Center. And here on the left side, we're going to select Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Here we have the first three options, and they are the most important. You're going to want to turn all three of these on. The first one is Network Discovery. This is so that your computer can be visible by other computers on the network. The second one actually turns the file and printer sharing on. And the third one allows a public folder to be shared between the two computers. After that, you're going to want to scroll down and you'll see something called Password Protected Sharing. This enables it where users on the other computer will have to input the password and username of the user on the Windows 7 computer in order to access the files. If you want them to have to enter a password, turn this on. If you prefer them to not have to, go ahead and turn this off. After you've selected all your changes, go ahead and save changes. And you can close out your window, and we are done with the Windows 7 machine.
Alright, we're now working with our Windows XP machine. We're going to need to adjust our workgroup name in order to match the one we set for our Windows 7 machine. To do this, we're going to go to Start, then we're going to go to My Computer, right click, and select Properties. Alright, here we're going to see the information about our computer. We're going to select the Computer Name tab. And that's going to give you a computer description, your computer name, and your workgroup. Again, it's going to be set to default as workgroup. And here it's going to tell you to rename this computer or join a workgroup. Click Change. I'm going to click this. And down here where it has workgroup, you're going to see the option to change it. Now we're going to change the name to what we set our other computer to. Make sure these match or this will not work. Go ahead and click OK. And click OK to the confirmation dialog, and it's going to tell you to restart like the other computer. Go ahead and click OK. Click OK to change out, and go ahead and restart your computer now. I've just restarted my Windows XP machine. My workgroup name is now set. Now let's see if we've done it correctly. We're going to go to Start, click My Network Places. Here, the top part, you can see where it says Shared Documents on your Windows XP machine, and down here it should have listed your computer name. This is the shared documents on the laptop running Windows 7, and this is the shared documents on the Windows XP machine. We've now connected our computer successfully. We created a workgroup on both computers, and we enabled sharing on the Windows 7 machine. Thank you so much for viewing my web tutorial. I hope it has helped you. Included with this video, please find my step-by-step guide to better assist you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.